What's the meaning of Canberra? Canberra. Canberra.
Canberra. Canberra. Canberra is the capital city of Australia, located in the southeast of the country. The name Canberra is thought to come from the word Canberra or Canberry, which means meeting place in the language of the indigenous Ngunnawal people who have lived in the area for at least 21,000 years. The city was planned and built following a decision by the Australian government to establish a new capital that was not Sydney or Melbourne. Canberra is home to many important national institutions and landmarks, including Parliament House and the Australian War Memorial.